Bose just announced a refresh of its popular QuietComfort headphones, the first hardware update in 3 years. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. These new headphones come with several improvements compared to the previous generation. First of all, they include Bose's Immersive audio feature, which was previously exclusive to the QuietComfort series. This is a spatial audio algorithm that uses built-in motion sensors to mimic a 3D soundstage. The new headphones can also use the company's cinema mode, which is designed to offer clearer dialogue when watching TV shows and movies. The QuietComfort headphones use USB-C audio to enable wired lossless audio playback up to 24-bit 48 kHz. In other words, they can be used wirelessly and via a wired connection. Two-way USB-C audio also helps deliver a clearer voice signal when using video conferencing apps. Finally, the headphones can still be used while charging via USB-C, which is actually very useful in certain situations. Apart from this, the noise cancellation algorithm has also been upgraded, as it now responds more naturally to sudden spikes of noise when the headphones are operating in aware mode. The 6-microphone ANC system now compensates for gaps in the ear cup seal, which is good news for people who wear glasses. Bose has also updated the hardware design a bit here with an upgraded headband, more plush cushioning, and oval-shaped ear cups. They look fairly fetching and are available in several limited edition colorways, apart from the standard black or white. The new QuietUltra headphones are available to pre-order on August 8th, with shipments going out on August 13th. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.